Bonjour and welcome to Easy French Cooking. A very quick and easy fish recipe today with some delicious tuna. I'm Victor and today we are learning how to cook grilled tuna steaks. Tuna steaks are meaty, chunky and full of flavors.
Ho, check this out. Yes, let's do it.
Are we ready? Let's go! And this is all we're going to need. A tuna steak per person, some olive oil, 4 tablespoons, herbe de Provence, mixed herbs, a garlic clove, some lime, salt and pepper. And here's the gear. We need a chopping board. We need a grilled frying pan. We need a mixing bowl. We need a bowl in which you can marinate the tuna, a spoon, a knife, a grater and some cling film. First, we season the steak with salt.
Next, prepare a simple marinade. Olive oil, herbe de Provence, very important, we add some lime juice. Peel the garlic. Crush and chop the garlic.
Add the garlic to the marinade and mix it all together. Smells good. Now we are going to marinate our steak for at least an hour. So we are covering it with cling film. Now we heat the frying pan, medium to high heat. We add some oil from the marinade. Then the tuna. We cook 2 to 3 minutes on each side, depending on how thick it is. Steak on a hot plate. We add the rest of the marinade. We season with pepper. We grate some lime on top. And voila, delicious grilled tuna steak. Oh yes, it's tasty. Bon appetit. All done in a flash. Well, to go with your delicious tuna steak, a simple salad or steamed potatoes, and that's your meal sorted. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Show me your thumb if you did. Well, let me know what you think in the comments. And of course, to keep up to date with the latest recipes, make sure you subscribe to Easy French Cooking, ring that bell, and check out my other videos. Keep on cooking. À bientôt.